Today I'm sharing with you a solution to a coding interview question, which is also a LeetCode problem implemented in Darts. So our problem is about a valid palindrome. Description of our problem is: a phrase is palindrome if, after converting all uppercase letters into lowercase letters and removing all non-alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backward. Alphanumeric characters include letters and numbers. So, given a string S, return true if it is a palindrome or false otherwise. So let's dive into the solution and explore the world of Darts coding interviews together. So they give us an example. They give us an input, a string input, which is a man, a comma, a plan, comma, a canal, colon, Panama. And the output is true, and this is because after converting all the upper cases into lowercase and removing non-alphanumeric characters, which are space, comma, and this colon, we have a string that can be read same forward as backward. So this is valid palindrome. So our approach is to first convert the input string to lowercase, then remove non-alphanumeric characters, and finally check if the cleaned string is a palindrome. For this, we have a class solution. Of course, we have Boolean method is palindrome, which has a string S. So first of all, we will convert our string S to lowercase with non-alphanumeric characters. For this, I created a new string and name it cleaned string, which is equal to our string converted to a lowercase. So we use this method to lowercase to convert any uppercase letter to a lowercase. Now, after to remove a non-alphanumeric character, I use this replace all reg expression and the range A to Z 0 to 9, and let me break down this and explain it further. So what this means? So we have first of all our range of characters. This is a regular expression to define character class. It includes all characters in the range from A to Z lowercase and 0 to 9 digits. Now, when we add this caret, this will encompass these characters. So we're gonna be using anything that is not this range, outside of this range, okay? So this expression will create a regular expression pattern to match any character that is not lowercase letter or a digit. For example, now after converting all our string to a lowercase letter, we have this string in here. So what this will do, it will match anything that is not inside of this range, okay? So for example, A is lowercase letter. It's okay, we're gonna keep it. After that, we have a space, and the space is not inside of our range, so we will remove it. Now we have man, then we have comma and space. Comma and space are not lowercase or digit, so remove them as well. A, then another space, we remove the space, and then we have plant, then we have comma and space, and like this until we finish our string. So we're gonna remove this space first of all, comma and space, then another space, this comma and space, another space, and colon and space. After removing these, we are gonna replace them with what? With an empty string, and we replace them by using this method, replace all, and we add this empty string at the end. So this will replace all occurrences of the matched pattern with an empty string. In other words, it removes all characters that do not match the specified pattern. And our string will become like this: a man, a plan, a canal, Panama. Now that we're done with this, let's go to the last step, which is check if the clean string is a palindrome with this line of code. So this will check whether our string is palindrome, and here is the breakdown. So we use the split method. Basically, this will convert the cleaned string into a list of individual characters, exactly like this. So we are creating a new list, and then we use a reversed method, and this will reverse our order of characters in this list. Then after that, we use again the join method to join the reversed list of character back into a single string. And then now we are comparing this new string with the first string that we had, and it's obvious that our string with the same forward and backward, so this if clause return true, and we need to finish it, so else return false. Now this is using the if clause statement. Instead of writing all these 4 lines, you can use a ternary condition and only write probably 1 line of code. So just use the return word here, clean string, and finish our line of code. And then we use this question mark, which means if this is valid, return true, otherwise false. So with the ternary condition, don't forget that we use the question mark and the colon. And there's also something else that we can get rid of the ternary and the if clause and write directly, since it is a boolean method, and it's return either false or true, so we can directly write return and then our line of code, and that's it. Now I already sent this solution into LeetCode platform, and it gave me this results. I got accepted and I beat it 35%, which is not bad. Let me explain now the time complexity of my algorithm and the space complexity later on. So the time, this code performs the following operation. It converts the string to a lowercase, this in big O-N, where N is the length of the string. Then after that, it removes the non-alphanumeric character theta n. It reverses the string using theta n as well. It joins the reversed string in theta n, and finally it can compare the cleaned string with the reversed string using O n time complexity. So all the operations have the same time complexity, which is big O n. We add these sequential individual operations together. We take the dominant term, which is big O n. Therefore, the overall time complexity is linear. Now for the space complexity, we did create a new string to store the cleaned string in a linear space complexity. We create an array to store the reversed string. We also used a linear space complexity big O n. Therefore, the overall space complexity of the code is big O n. The space complexity of the code is a linear, where n is the length of the input string. This means that the amount of additional memory used by the code increases linearly with the length of the inputs. So I hope you understand and you enjoy watching my video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.